Hi, let's play with this exponential equation. So we're given 3 half or 3 all over 2 all in bracket raised to t all over 2 equals to 4 all over 9. And we are asked to find the value of what? X. So solution, we have 3 all over 2 all in bracket raised to t all over 2 equals to 4 all over 9. But if you look at it, the numerator and the denominator on the right hand side, both of them are perfect square number. That is to say, we can actually express them as power of certain numbers. So let's see, 4 is the same as 2 times 2, right? And this is equals to 2 squared. 2 squared is the same as 2 times 2. And then 9 is the same as 3 times 3. This can be written as 3 squared. So let's write 4 and 9 in this form. So we have that our 3 all over 2 all in bracket raised to t all over 2 equals to 2 squared all over 3 squared. Now remember one of the laws of indices. If you have let's say a raised to power m all over b raised to power m, this is the same as a all over b all in bracket. The powers are common, they having the same power, so you can just take one. So this is this. So let's apply this to this, so that we have 3 all over 2 all in bracket raised to t all over 2 equals to 2 all over 3 all raised to power 2 all raised to 2. Let's take away this. So now, if you look at it very well, don't be too quick to equate the powers, because you feel maybe the bases are the same. Look at it. This is 3 all over 2, while this is 2 all over 3. So you cannot equate the powers. So you have to make the base here to be the same as this. So remember, when you have a all over b raised to a negative power, let's say power 1, what you do is just to flip this fraction. Flipping it means turning it upside down. So the b will come up, the a will come down. Then you have a positive power. So that's it. So you can rewrite this thing. You can take this thing back to this form. So let's assume that this is what we have here. So we want to take it back to this form. So we'll turn this fraction upside down, then negate the power. We'll turn this upside down, we'll flip it, and then we'll negate the power. The power will now become negative. That's what it means. So that we're going to have 3 all over 2 all in bracket t all over what? Raised to t all over 2 equals to all in bracket 3 all over 2 raised to minus 2. This is what I was saying. I flipped it, so the power now carries a negative sign. So at this point, the bases are equal, so I can equate the power, or I will stroke out the bases. So I'll be left with what? T all over 2 equals to minus 2. So at this point, I multiply both sides of the equation by 2. So let's say times 2 and then times 2. 2 will cancel out with 2. T will be equals to minus 2 times 2. That's minus 4. And this is the final answer. Thank you and God bless.